Hey YouTube, what's up? In this video you are going to learn how to upgrade your Fujifilm lens. This is a 35mm f2 lens, so let's do this. So before you put the firmware update into your SD card, you got to make sure that your SD card is formatted. In case you don't know how to do that, I will leave a link for the video right here and you can learn how to format your SD card. Something to keep in mind is that the lens might not need any updating. And in order to find out, just go to the Fuji website and look for the latest update. So in order to upgrade the firmware on your Fuji lens, actually the first thing you have to do is hold down the display, the back button, and turn it on at the same time. And we are doing this in order to find out what lens version we are running. So it looks like my 35mm lens is actually running the 1.01 version, which is at this time it's the updated version, so I don't have to do the upgrade, which is actually pretty good to know because I was not sure what version the lens was running. So I came to find out that my lens was actually up to date, but keep watching so you can learn how to upgrade the firmware on your lens. Firmware upgrade, I'm gonna hit back because I'm not ready. I don't have any firmware, but if you were going to upgrade your lens, you would hit back. Okay, turn off the camera. The next step is to put the firmware onto your SD card. Go to the Fujifilm website, download the right firmware for your lens. So when you're on the Fujifilm.com website, go to support, find the lens, the upgrade for the lens that you're looking for. In my case, the update was for the 35mm f2 lens. I found it. Scroll down to the bottom. I agree, begin download. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Begin download. Left click. Okay, so now we have, that's the file, that's the upgrade file. It's for version 1.1. Okay, so now you insert your SD card into your computer, your laptop, PC, whatever. It's formatted, so there's nothing in it. It's empty, so I'm gonna open the file, show in folder. So now all we have to do is move the file from your downloads to your SD card. Here we go, now it's on your SD card. All you have to do is now put it into your camera. Now you have your SD card with the upgrade in it. Make sure you insert it into slot number 1, not slot number 2. And what we're going to do is hold the display back button and turn the camera on at the same time. So hold it down, turn the camera on, and here we go. Okay, now in this screen you can see what versions the lenses are at. It's the firmware upgrade screen. Here you're going to hit yes, and you can choose which upgrade you want to do, if you want to upgrade your body or your lens, and this video is about the lens. So now all you would do is click OK and it'll upgrade your lens. My lens is already updated, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit back. Firmware upgrade has been canceled. So anyhow, that's how you upgrade the firmware on your lens. It's exactly the same procedure, or at least pretty much just like upgrading the firmware on the body of the camera. Hope you found this video useful, and if you found it useful, please click a thumbs up below, leave a comment, and well, have a good one.
Muchas gracias. Obrigado. Dankeschön. Merci beaucoup. Happy shooting.